I straightened it, but I think I did too much and I didn't have the right heat protector. So yeah, this is my hair before. Okay, I just finished washing it. You can see it's very tangled. It needs a detangle thing. So we're gonna go in with some conditioner. Well, a hair mask actually. This one. I really like the smell of the coconuts. I'm gonna take quite a lot. It's so tangled. I think it's because when I bleached it, it got kind of damaged. You can see it's still kind of blonde because I went like bleached blonde. And now it's just really tangled and gets really frizzy really easily. And I don't know what to do. So I think I'm just gonna detangle it all using this hair food. It helps like my fingers and the comb pass through it easily. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, section it into two on each side, and then I'm gonna go through detangling them. This week I did quite a lot of it, so I don't think I'm going to use the comb because I don't want to rip out a lot of the hair from my scalp. Because I noticed when I was detangling too much, my scalp started to feel really sensitive and sore. So I'm just going to finger comb for now. If you know what good products I should use to help with breakage and stuff, please let me know. This part was honestly quite a struggle. As you can probably see, I had so many knots and tangles even after washing it. But I must say, putting the hair mask in and then detangling it made it so much easier. Someone please tell me how to stop my hair being this frizzy. Or do I just have to wait? I honestly have no idea. My hair just gets so frizzy and then that's when all the knots start to form. And it pains me to see the amount of hair that falls out. I'm not really sure if you can see this, but that's all the frizziness. And here is my fringe that's literally partially straight because I straightened it a bit too much. We move. At the end of the day, hair grows back. I think I'm gonna try film myself putting my hair in some protective styles and upload them, just so I'm documenting this journey from going from this but back to how it was. All done with the detangling now, so the hair mask is in. I already see such a big difference with the curls that even start to come back. You can let this sit for a bit. You could just leave this in, but I'm gonna rinse it out. I've had this sitting for quite a while now, so let's go rinse it out. After rinsing out my hair, section it and moisturise it. I'm going to use this as a moisturiser. Basically it is, I can't open it. Basically it is just shea butter and coconut oil. Because my mum has a bunch of shea butter and coconut oil. So I just melted them together to create this for my hair. It's also got some argan oil, castor oil, and something else in there, I forgot. The same for the top two. Okay, now I'm just going into the section in the back and I'm just going to put them in twist for the night and leave it as that because I can't lie, I can't be able to do anything else. It's already like knotted up. How the hell did that happen so quickly? We're done for now because I can't be asked to do anymore and it's quite late now, so